Well, hi there, and welcome back to Dad Life Tech. My name is Austin Hamilton, and I'm just a dad who loves tech. And today I have the Unifi Protect G3 Instant Camera from Ubiquiti. This is a $29 camera that's proprietary and only works within Unifi's Protect NVR software. But at $29, it's a great price, and I think it'll be a good bang for the buck. It's powered over either USB Type-C natively or 802.3 AF PoE with an adapter. But it's full 1080p 30 FPS video. Again, $29. I'm really excited to see the field of view and the picture quality on this, but from what I understand is it's pretty good. Here's the adapter, is another $19. That will allow you to actually power this camera over an Ethernet cable. So you run an Ethernet cable to the adapter, and then the adapter has a USB Type-A port on it, which if you watch my content, you know I'm a big fan of USB-C. Pretty much if it doesn't have a USB-C port on it, I won't buy it. However, I would buy this adapter because I could then just run it over Ethernet instead of having to have power at the source. So it's nice that there is that capability to have that add-on. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it, and then we'll get into it. So take the paper off, or the wrapper off here. And here it is. So nice box, nice packaging. And this is it. Real small. Now I do have big hands, but this still is a really tiny product. See the USB Type-C port there on the bottom. I'm assuming this opens up. Yeah, it looks like it does open. Probably to mount it. I'll set that aside there. See what else is in the box. A little overexposed, but that's okay. So there is some a plug here with a Type-A port. A little mount with some stickers. I guess you can just stick those to the wall. Some more mounting hardware and a USB Type-C. Looks like it's a Type-A to Type-C cable with an angle adapter on it. So that's nice. You can kind of cable manage there. I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. Hopefully this Type-C cable I have supplies enough power to it right out of the gate. Yep, looks like the little light went on there. I don't know if you can see that there, but right below there is a light. So let's go ahead and get this set up in Unifi. Okay, so I pulled up my Unifi Protect app. And it says new device found. G3 Instant. Looking for networks. So so it's using the Unifi Protect, or the Unifi Protect app on my phone to connect. Type in my wireless information. Connecting to network. So momentarily it should connect. And then we should see it show up here. Really interesting noise it's making. So as you can see, the G3 Flex cameras are the other ones that you see here. This is my office. And for comparison, the one here in the bottom right corner, that's the only G3 Instant I have. And it's interesting here, you can kind of see in real time what you're able to see from my actual recording camera to this G3 Instant. It's not bad. I mean, it's a security camera, $29. I'm probably going to stick this up on a shelf, maybe even behind me here in the office so I can just see the rest of my office. But that was really easy in terms of getting it set up. Again, I had to go into the Unifi app and connect over Bluetooth right to the camera so that I could add the Wi-Fi network, and then it came right up in the Unifi Protect controller software. And I think it just rebooted there as it ran a firmware update for the first time, but now it's up and in action. So nice little device here from Ubiquiti. I think the big selling point for me is the price point. Use cases for this, I think a kid's room, a baby room, an office, somewhere that you want to be able to maybe just quickly, move it around wherever you have a USB connection would be nice. When I go out of town sometimes too, I'll move a camera out to the living room, just put it on the kitchen table. That way, it's not there obstructing things on a normal day-to-day basis. The Ubiquiti Protect system, in my opinion, it's really more for the enthusiast who's into Ubiquiti networking, because you have to have Unify Protect running on, I believe it only runs on a UDM-Pro or the Cloud Key Gen 2. It's a little bit more of an advanced setup. So if you want to look at a Wyze Cam or Nest Cam, yes, those are going to be more expensive, although I think the Wyze Cam is cheaper. But a Nest Cam is certainly going to be more expensive, but it's definitely easier from a plug-and-play standpoint. But from my experience with the Unify Protect system, if you're in the system, it's a great system, but it does require a little bit more of a DIY approach, which I'm a fan of because I'm a tech guy. I'm a dad who loves tech. So quick little review and unboxing of the Unify Protect G3 Instant Camera. It's solid. I like it. I would recommend it, and I'm interested to see some long-term use out of it. Anyways, if you like this video, please consider subscribing and giving a thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care.